Okay, good morning po grade 10. So this will be the start of the second grading period po. And for this grading period, we will be discussing polynomials. So babalikan po muna natin yung diniscuss natin ng grade 7 kayo, and that is division of polynomials. Now there are two ways on how you can divide polynomials. The first one is by long division, and the second one is by synthetic division. Now, ano yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa? So let's have first yung long division. Now, let's say for example, you were asked to divide x squared plus 3x minus 10 by x minus 2. So, paano natin siya isusulat kapag magdi-divide na tayo? Now, si x squared plus 3x minus 10 is our dividend. Yun yung nasa loob ng division symbol. And si x minus 2 is our divisor. Now, may file akong sinend sa inyo. Ando na yung step-by-step process sa long division. Now, the first one that you need to do, grade 10, is to check the terms. Dapat daw yung terms ng dividend ay naka-arrange in descending order according do sa power ng variables. Now, in this case, check muna natin si dividend, si x squared plus 3x minus 10 kung tama na ba yung arrangement niya or kung meron bang nawawala na terms. Now, the highest exponent ay 2, so that is for x squared. Then, dapat daw ang kasunod ni x squared ay yung variable na may exponent na 1. In this case, that is 3x. Tama naman. From 2, di ba alam naman natin na kapag walang exponent si variable, siya ay may exponent na 1. So, from 2, 1, then the constant. So, that means naka-arrange siya in descending order as well as kumpleto din yung lahat ng terms. In that case, pwede na natin siyang i-divide. Now, after ma-check kung kumpleto na yung lahat ng terms, ang gagawin natin when dividing is to divide muna yung first terms ng dividend at yung first term ng divisor. So that will be x squared divided by x. Okay, balik tayo doon sa laws of exponents. If you have x squared over x, ano yung magiging answer natin dyan? Ano yung gagawin natin? Since parehas naman siyang x, at yung x sa baba ay may exponent na 1, so anong gagawin natin doon sa mga exponent? Ima-minus po natin. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So x squared divided by x ay x raised to 1 or simply x. So that is our first quotient. So rate natin si x. So after ma-divide yung first terms, i-multiply natin pababa doon sa divisor. So that will be x times x. Again, i-multiply natin yung nakuha na quotient na x by the divisor na x minus 2. So we will have x times x, that is x squared. Tapos, x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Tapos, after mag-multiply is ima-minus naman natin. Alam natin that when we are subtracting polynomials or when we are subtracting integers or signed numbers, ang kailangan gawin is to change the sign of the subtrahend. Now, pagdating dito, asan si subtrahend? Si subtrahend ay yung nasa ilalim, yung kulay red. So, change the sign daw. So, from positive x squared, siya ay magiging negative. Then, si negative 2x ay magiging positive 2x. Then, proceed to addition. So, x squared plus negative x squared, this will be 0. Then, 3x plus positive 2x. So, add the whole numbers or add the coefficients. So, 3 plus 2 is 5. Then, x plus x is just x. Okay? Then, ang susunod na step is to bring down the next term. So, bring down natin yung kasunod na term. that is negative 10. So we have 5x minus 10. Now si 5x minus 10, yun na yung magiging bagong dividend. So balik tayo doon sa step number 2. Si 5x, itong first term na to, i-divide natin sa first term ulit ng divisor. So we will have 5x divided by x. So we have 5x divided by x equals, so x over x, so this 1 minus 1, so mga cancel out, matitira is 5. So plus 5. Then, multiply ulit pababa. 5 times x, that is 5x. Then 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Again, change the sign of the subtrahend. So we will have si positive 5x magiging negative, si negative 10 magiging positive, then proceed to addition. 5x plus negative 5x, obviously that is 0. So no need to write pa yung 0 sa baba. And then negative 10 plus positive 10, magkaibang sign, parehas na number. So pag pinag-add, that will be 0 din. So since 0 na yung nasa dulo, that means wala tayong remainder. So that means the quotient when we divide x squared plus 3x minus 10 by x minus 2, so the final answer will be x plus 5. Okay po, let's have example number 2. So divide 9x cubed plus 11x plus 4 by 3x minus 1. Now again, rewrite muna natin yung dividend at divisor dun sa division symbol natin. So di ba we will have 9x cubed plus 11x plus 4, that is the dividend, and the divisor is 3x minus 1. Now check muna natin si dividend, kung naka-arrange ba siya in descending order or kung kumpleto ba yung number of terms. Okay, kung titingnan po natin, the highest term natin is, or the highest exponent ng variable is x cubed. So kung nagsimula tayo sa x cubed, dapat may kasunod siyang x squared, x, and then the constant. So kung titingnan natin yung example, wala yung x squared. Diba, nagsimula sa x cube, kasunod niya agad ay x. So, dapat daw ay kumpleto. So, ano yung gagawin natin para maging kumpleto yung terms ng dividend? So, kailangan nating mag-add ng isang term na 0 ang coefficient. So, ano yung gagawin? So, si 9x cube plus 11x plus 4 ay magiging 9x cube plus 0x squared plus 11x plus 4. So, ano yung nangyari grade 10? Ang nangyari po ay inad lang natin ng kulay red na to, yung plus 0x squared. In that case, kompleto na yung variables natin. So, simula sa x cubed, may kasunod na x squared, x, and then the constant. So, after natin ma-check yun, let's proceed na sa pag-divide. The same process pa rin. Divide the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor. So that is 9x cubed divided by 3x. So again, so we will have 9x cubed over 3x. So 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Then x cubed divided by x, again, ma-minus lang natin yung exponent. So 3 minus 1, this will be x squared. So this will be, the answer natin ay 3x squared. Then yung nakukuha natin sa taas, i-multiply again sa divisor. So that is 3x squared times 3x minus 1. So 3x squared times 3x, wala natin sa baba, 9x. Then x squared times x, so i-add 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is 9x cubed. Then 3x squared times negative 1. So may iba lang yung sign. So that will be negative 3x squared. So that is grade 10 na yung sinusulat ko po na answer na katapat na dun sa term na may magkakapareha sila na variable. Magkatapat yung x cubed, magkatapat yung x squared. So again, change the sign of the subtrahend, yung pangalawang line. So this will be from positive 9x cubed, magiging negative. Then from negative 3x squared, siya ay magiging positive. Then proceed to addition na daw. So 9x cubed plus negative 9x cubed, so that will be 0. So hindi natin kailangan isulat pa yan. Then 0x squared plus positive 3x squared, so that is 3x squared. Kasi pag nag-add tayo ng same variable or ng like terms, kinokopya lang natin yung variable and exponent. So hindi natin ina-add yun. Ang ina-add lang po are the numerical coefficients. So after mag-subtract, next is to bring down the next term. Ang next term po natin ay si positive 11x. So bring down plus 11x. So we will have, again, ito na yung bagong divisor. So divide ulit, ito yung bagong dividend, rather, grade 11. So yung bagong dividend, i-divide ulit doon sa divisor. So 3x squared divided by 3x. So diba, we will have 3x squared divided by 3x. So 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So cancel out na yan. Then x squared divided by x, again, ito ay may 1 sa quotient na sa power of a quotient of a power, di ba? 2 minus 1, so this will be x raised to 1 or simply x. So the answer sa taas will be plus x. Then yung nakuha natin na positive x, i-multiply ulit sa divisor. So we will have x times 3x minus 1. O distribute lang natin si x. So x times 3x, that is 3x squared. Then x times negative 1 is negative x. Then sunod, change the sign of the subtrahend ulit. So from positive 3x, ito ay magiging negative. From negative x, siya naman ulit ay magiging positive. Then proceed to addition. So 3x squared plus negative 3x squared. So obviously this will be 0. So no need to write that. Then 11x plus x, tandaan po na ang variable na x, may imaginary na 1 yan dyan sa unahan. So copy lang yung x, then add the two numbers. 11 plus 1 is 12x. Then bring down the last term nung dividend. So plus 4. Ito yung plus 4 na yan, ha? Then, balik tayo ulit sa kanina. Divide the first term, 12x divided by 3x. So, 12 divided by 3 is positive 4. Then, 4 times 3x, that is 12x. Then, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Then change the sign. From positive 12x, magiging negative. From negative 4, magiging positive 4. Then proceed to addition. So 12x plus negative 12x, that will be 0. So no need to write that. Then 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And since we have a number dito sa baba, so that means there is a remainder. Now, paano natin isusulat yung final answer natin kung meron tayong remainder? So ang magiging final answer po natin will be, copyhin natin yan sa taas. So that is 3x squared plus x plus 4. Then the remainder, no, so plus kasi positive to. So 8 over the divisor na 3x minus 1. So that is our final answer. 3x squared plus x plus 4 plus 8 over 3x minus 1. Okay, let's have the third example. So we have to divide 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 by 2x minus 3. Now, check muna natin kung sunod-sunod na yung variable. So we have, nagsimula tayo sa x cube, kasunod nga yung x squared, then x, and then the constant term. So upon checking, yung dividend naman natin ay kompleto ang terms at nakasunod-sunod na siya. So kapag nire-write natin to, this will be 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 divided by 2x minus 3. Now, let's divide. So, again, katulad nung kanina, divide muna natin yung first term. So, that is 4x cubed divided by 2x. So, we will have 4x cubed over 2x. O 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then x cubed divided by x, again, ima-minus lang. Ito ay may 1, 3 minus 1. So, x squared. So, ang susunod natin sagot sa taas ay 2x squared. Then, si 2x squared, imo-multiply kay divisor na 2x minus 3. So, 2x squared times 2x. So, 2 times 2, that is 4x cubed. Kasi x squared times x, 2 plus 1 is 3, kaya naging x cubed. Then, 2x times negative 3, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6x squared. Again, magkakatapat na po yung magkakaparehas ng terms. Parehas x cubed at parehas x squared. O after mag-multiply, change the sign ng subtrahend kasi ima-minus natin yan, di ba? So, from positive 4x cubed, ito ay magiging negative. Then, from negative 6x squared, siya ay magiging positive. Then, proceed to addition. 4x cubed plus negative 4x cubed. So, this will be 0. Then, 2x squared plus positive 6x squared. So, 2 plus 6 is 8. Then, copy the variable at yung exponent. So, x squared. So, now, is bring down the next term. So, bring down negative 4x. Then, ito ulit na first term na to, i-divide kay first term ng divisor. So, that is 8x squared over 2x. 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. And x squared divided by x, again, that is 2 minus 1. So, this will be just x. So, natin sa taas ay plus or positive 4x. Then, multiply ulit. So, si 4x times the divisor na 2x minus 3. So, 4x times 2x, 4 times 2 is 8. X times x is x squared. Then, 4x times negative 3. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Then, copy yung variable na x. Again, change the sign. So, from positive, magiging negative. From negative, magiging positive. And proceed to addition. 8x squared plus negative 8x squared. So, this will be 0. Then, negative 4x plus positive 12x. Since magkaiba ng sign, ipagmaminus natin. Then, copy the sign of the higher absolute value na number. So, 12 minus 4 is 8. Copy lang yung x. Ang sign niya ay positive kasi mas mataas ang positive 12 kaysa negative 4. So, kaya positive ang sign. Then, last is bring down the last term which is negative 6. Katulad ulit kanina, divide the first term by the first term of the divisor. So, 8x divided by 2x. 8x over 2x equals 8 divided by 2 is 4. X divided by x is 1. So, makakancel out na siya. So, matitira na lang ay positive 4. So, sa taas, plus 4. Then, katulad kanina, si 4, i-multiply kay divisor na 2x minus 3. So, 4 times 2x, that is 8x. Then, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Change the sign. Proceed to addition. 8x plus negative 8x is 0. Negative 6 plus 12 is positive 6. So we have the remainder na 6. So paano isusulat ulit yung final answer? So kopyahin muna natin yung quotient. So that is, yung nasa taas na 2x squared. So plus 4x plus 4. Then since ito ay positive, so plus the remainder na 6 over the divisor na 2x minus 3. So that is our final answer. So again, grade 10 ha, yung steps natin, the first thing that you need to do in dividing polynomials using long division is first, titingnan muna natin kung kompleto yung terms ng dividend. Kung nagsimula siya sa x raised to the 4th power, dapat meron siyang kasunod na x cubed, x squared, x, and the constant. Kung nagsimula siya sa x squared, dapat ay may kasunod siyang x at may kasunod na constant. Kailangan po lagi ay kompleto. Yun po muna, kapag may kulang po, so mag-a-add kayo ng variable na 0 ang coefficient, then kung ano yung kulang na variable. After po nun, proceed na tayo sa division. Divide yung first term sa first term. First term ng dividend sa first term ng divisor. Then after makuha yung quotient ng dalawa, multiply naman tayo. Yung ano man yung quotient na yon, multiply dun sa buong divisor. After ma-multiply, di ba, change the sign ng subtrahend, proceed to addition. After makuha yung sagot, bring down yung next term, then repeat again the step. Divide, multiply, then subtract. Thus bring down, then divide, multiply, subtract, then bring down. Hanggang makuha natin yung remainder kung meron man. Okay po, there is a discussion board again after this video where you can put your questions. Okay, that's all for today, grade 10. Thank you.